Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Chat GPT AI Assistant on OPPO Reno 10 Pro. So, to install Chat GPT Widget you have to click on Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and now click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open. Now you can skip introduction and click open permissions, and you have to allow this application to display over other apps. Now select AI Assistant from the list and click here to allow it, and now you can click back and you can click back again, and now you can click start. And as you can see, here is your AI assistant, and you can open it and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.